here. They knew his life upon this earth would not be filled with wealth. They also knew he would encounter strife, but most of all, they knew that would be a loving child and teach the love of God throughout his life. At Christmas, as we celebrate this birth of Jesus Christ, let's keep in mind the truth of Christmas Day. For it's not a Christmas wrapping, not the gift that I may give, but our gift of love to others in every way. Amen po. So, alalahanin po natin na ang Panginoon Jesus is the reason for this season po. Amen po.
Tinatanong po tayo sa Christmas symbols, which symbolizes the birth of our Christ. Christmas symbols represents candy cane. Ito po ay ibibigay